Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will tell you that how to start a carpet cleaning business from scratch. Most people think starting a carpet cleaning business is complicated. They imagine big trucks, expensive machines, or years of experience. But the reality is very different. People around the world are starting carpet cleaning business every single day with a basic portable machine, a small budget, and zero experience. And many of them are earning a full-time income within months. In this video, I'm going to break everything down step by step in the simplest way possible. No confusing business talk, no complicated systems. Just a clear roadmap that works globally. Whether you are in UK, US, Australia, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else. By the end, you will know exactly what equipment you need, how to get your first customers, how much money you can realistically make, and how to grow into a real business. Let's start from the very beginning. Okay, what a carpet cleaning business really is? A carpet cleaning business is not just cleaning carpet. It is a problem-solving service business. You are solving problems like dirty carpets from everyday use, pet stains and odor, food and drink spills, allergen and dust buildup, end-of-lease cleaning requirements, office and commercial hygiene standards. Across the world, there are three main types of clients. Number one, residential customers. These are homeowners and renters. They want clean and fresh homes. Number two, end of lease clients. These are tenants moving out who must clean carpets to get their bond deposit back. Number three, commercial clients. Offices, shops, hotels, and clinics that need regular cleaning contracts. End of lease and commercial work is usually the most profitable. Now here is the important part. You are not selling cleaning, you are selling fresh smell, hygiene, professional results, and peace of mind. Once you understand that, everything becomes easier. How much money you can make? Let's talk realistically. Prices vary by country, but globally the structure is similar. Typical pricing: small room $30 to $80, medium room $50 to $120, full house $150 to $500, end of lease cleaning $200 to $800, commercial contracts $500 to $5,000 per job or monthly. Now let's break it down. If you complete just 2 jobs per day at $150 average, 5 days per week, that is around $6,000 per month potential. If you scale with a team, $10,000 to $30,000 plus per month is realistic in many countries. This is why carpet cleaning is one of the most popular low-barrier service businesses worldwide. Low setup cost, high demand, repeat customers. Equipments you need to start. Let's keep this simple. You do not need expensive truck systems at the beginning. You only need basic professional tools. Essential beginner equipments: portable carpet extractor machine, wet and dry vacuum, carpet cleaning solution, general detergents, stain removers, coffee, wine, pet stains, spray bottles, microfiber cloths, scrubbing brush, extension cords, protective gloves. That's enough to start your first jobs. Okay, optional but useful: air mover, drying fan, upholstery attachment, odor neutralizer, spot cleaning kit. Advanced level equipments, later stage you might need: truck mounted carpet cleaning system, industrial steam cleaning machine, high pressure extraction systems. But don't think about these at the beginning. Most successful business owners started small and upgraded later. Setting up your business. Now let's make it official. Even though this is a small business, you want to look professional. Step 1. Choose a business name. Keep it simple, like Clean Pro Services, Fresh Carpet Cleaning, Bright Home Cleaning, Eco Clean Carpets. Step 2. Register your business. Depending on your country, you can register yourself as sole trader or self-employed registration. Now you need a tax number or business ID. Step 3. Set up basic branding. Like you can create a brand with simple logo via Canva is enough. Business phone number you need and a Gmail address or any business email. Step 4. Create trust. Customers trust businesses that look organized. Even if you are small, act professional from day one. How to get your first customers? This is where most beginners fail. They have equipment but no customers. So here is what actually works globally. Number 1. Facebook Marketplace and local groups. This is one of the fastest way to get your first job. Post before and after photos, intro offer, simple explanation. Example, I provide affordable carpet cleaning in your area. First time discount available. Message for booking. Number 2, Google Business Profile. Very important. This is free and powerful. When people search carpet cleaning near me, you can appear on Google Maps. Number 3, door-to-door, old but powerful. Visit apartments, residential streets, small offices, talk directly, offer a small discount for first job. Number 4, real estate agents. This is one of the best long-term strategies. They constantly need end-of-lease carpet cleaning, fast turnaround services. Build relationships with 5 to 10 agents and you can get consistent work. Number 5, social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Post before and after transformations, dirty versus clean carpets, satisfying cleaning videos. Before and after strategy. This is your most powerful market tooling. People don't understand cleaning, they understand transformation. Always capture dirty carpet before and clean carpet after. This is what sells your service instantly. Even one good video can bring you multiple customers. Pricing strategy. At the beginning, you might feel like charging low prices. That is normal, but don't stay cheap forever. Smart strategy. Start with intro offer, discount for first customers, then slowly increase, add per room pricing, charge extra for stains or pets, charge travel fees if needed. Remember, cheap price equal low quality customers, fair price equals better customers plus stable business. After every job, you must ask, would you mind leaving a quick review? It really helps my small business. Reviews help you get more customers, rank higher on Google, build trust instantly. Even 10 to 20 reviews can change your business completely. How to scale the business? Once you start getting regular jobs, step 1, upgrade equipments. Better machine equal faster jobs equal more income. Step 2, build a website. Simple one-page site is enough. Step 3, run local ads, Facebook ads or Google ads in your area. Step 4, hire help. Start with part-time cleaners. Step 5, target commercial contracts like offices, hotels, schools. This is where real money starts. Final advice for you guys. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long. You do not need perfect equipment, perfect knowledge, perfect website. You just need basic tools, first customer, and willingness to start. Every big cleaning company started exactly like this. A small job, then happy customer, better job, bigger business. That's the cycle. Alright guys, if you follow this roadmap, you can realistically start a carpet cleaning business anywhere in the world and grow it step by step into a full-time income. No shortcuts, just simple action.